it happened. I figured it would.
That thing went straight through. Wait, let me see what it looks like. Wow.
I think it hit a hole that was already... Yeah! Nice.
Oh, this one's stuck into the bottom.
Oh wow, look at that. Nice.
Huh. Okay, go.
Yeah!
Oh,
You got the hammer.
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, look at the back.
Wow.
Oh, you got the blade in when you were trying to get the wrong side in.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's way cool.
Wait, I want to look on the other side.
Yeah.
Whoa.
All the way through.
Wow.
Want to try that?
Sure.
Oh.